Good morning, respected principal sir, judges, teachers, and my dear students. So we all know that we all gathered here for the poetry recitation competition. So you all are ready. So as Shweta ma'am has described, you all know that what is poetry. You all know what is poetry? So poetry is what? It is an artistic writing that we use to express our imagination and thoughts in with the help of the techniques, literary techniques. Okay. So today we are going to do activity on the poetry recitation of the famous poet William Shakespeare. Time I'm going to call one by one the participants. Okay. So the first participant name is Aradhya Singh of class 6. Class 6. C. Class. So, good morning, respected principal sir, judges, and good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem of William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was one of the greatest English poets. My poem's title is My Heart Slip Up, and the lines of my poems are like this. My heart slip up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So what is when my life began? So it is now. I am a man. So be when I said you, or let me die. The child is father of the man, and I could my days to be bound each to each by natural pace. Thank you.
And my dear children, I think this is for the first time you are here for such type of competition. So just try to be the best listener of the day and count your takeaways. What are you taking away? I'd like to call upon a stage Manasi from class 6C. Manasi, class 6C, and every participant must be applauded. रुको मत, तुम सारे सीनियर्स बैठे हो.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, judges and teachers and all my dear friends. I, Mansi Adam of class 6C, has come here to recite a wonderful poem. First of all, I would like to introduce the poet who has written this poem, and his name is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is recognized as the greatest English poet the world has ever known. William Shakespeare was born on 23 April 1564 and died on 23 April 1616. Now let's start the poem Friends and Flatterers. Everyone at Flatters Day is no friend in mystery. Words are easy like the wind, faithful friends are hard to find. Everyone will be tough and will fast wherewith to. If the cat be prodigal, bountiful they will have got, and with such like flattering, petty word and king. If fortune wants to from and farewell his great enough, they did fond on him before use his company no more. He did is that can and which he will have the infinite. If for sorrow he will rip, if for wake he cannot sleep. Hills of every grit and heart, they will see your dear apart. This are certain signs to know. Faithful friends of lightning spoke. Thank you.
Well done, Mansi. Now this is a poem from class 7, right?
Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pratyanshu Raj Burman from class 6E. Today I am going to recite a poem of very famous poet William Wordsworth. The title of the poem is Splendor in the Grass. Now, what though the radiance which was once so bright be now forever taken from my sight, though nothing can bring back the hour of splendor in the grass, of glory in the flower, we will grieve not, rather find strength in what remains behind, in the primal sympathy which having been must ever be, in the shooting thoughts that spring out of human suffering, in the faith that looks through death, in ears that bring the philosophic mind. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And my dear volunteers and my dear students, those who are sitting here, greenhouse, उसके सत्यम के पीछे कौन बैठा है? Shivam, sit properly. And the participants, all the participants, you are also requested to be quiet because somebody from your side is on the stage. If you are not going to cheer him or her up, how he is going to perform? So there should be always a huge round of applause. And you all are seniors sitting to them, right? Right now, class 6 children are coming? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. तो फिर बातें करने आए हो तुम यहाँ पे? नहीं ना? Volunteers, kindly get scattered and take good control of these students, especially in between. Next participant. Anuj of class 6E.
Good morning everyone. I am Anuj from class 6E going to recite a poem in front of all of you. The title of my poem is My Mistress Eyes, which is written by William Shakespeare. My Mistress Eyes. My Mistress Eyes are nothing like the sun. Coral is far more red than her lips red. If snow be white, white than her breasts are done. If hairs be wires, black wires grow upon her head. I have seen Rosemary's red and white, but no such lusty eye on her cheeks. And in some perfumes, there is more delight than the breath that from my mistress reeks. I love to hear her speak, yet well I know that music had a far more pleasing sound. I grant I never saw a goddess go. My mistress, when she walks, treads on the ground, and yet by heaven, I think my love was rare, and any she believe with false compare. Thank you so much.
Very nice, Anuj. Next participant's name is Aniket of class 6E. So please come on the stage. Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friend. Today I am Aniket Kumar from class 6 going to recite a poem, which is written by a famous poem, Word Words. My title of the poem is Daffodils. I wander lonely as the cloud that floats on high o'er Wilson Hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, flirting and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads and sweetly dance. The birds beside them danced, but they could not. But they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not, but he gave such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what will the soul to me had brought. For often, when on my couch I lie, on the couch of this light, in vacant or in pensive mood.
Do you have the paper? Do you have the paper? No. You don't have the paper. Okay, don't be nervous. Relax होके बोलो.
For often, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in passive mood, they panic and no need to feel hesitation. Okay, it's just a simple poem recitation competition. We are not going to scold you here. Okay, so please just keep yourself calm. All right. So I'm requesting all the rest participants, you will speak slowly. You will keep yourself calm when you will be on the stage. Okay. So all the section of class 6 is done. And now I'm going to call the
Sorry everyone. Actually 6A, class 6A participants is here. So I'm going to call Tanushka Singh of class 6A.
A and D are remain. A and D also. Participants. D is absent. Participants of D is absent. None of the present.
Respected judges, teachers and my dear friends, I am Tanushka Singh from class 6A. Today I am going to recite a poem which was written by William Shakespeare as The Blossom. On a day, a laughter day, love whose month is ever May, spied on blossom passing fair, playing in the wanton air, through the velvet leaves of the wind, all unseen Dan passers find that the lover sick to death wishwood himself the heaven's breath. Air caught he thigh cheeks may blow, air would I might sing so. Thank you.
Very nice, Tanushka. You said very well. So next participant, I'm going to call Kanika over here of 6A.
Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Kanika Lal from class 6A. I am here to recite a poem named Sonnet 18 by William Shakespeare. Shall I compare thee day to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough wind do shake the darling buds of men, and summer leaves have all too short a day. Sometimes too hot the eyes of heaven shine, and often is his gold complexion dim, and every fair from fair sometimes may decline by chance or nature changing course. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou owest, nor shall death brag thou wanderest in his head, when in eternal line to time thou grows. How long as man can breathe, or eyes can see, so long live this and give this life to thee. Thank you for hearing me patiently.
Ronak of 7C. Okay, just wait, Ronak. We'll first finish class 6. Navya Shankar of class 6A. Athar, come here.
Good morning everyone present here, distinguished dignitaries, extreme judges, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Navya Shankar from class 6A and today I feel exceedingly proud and privileged to have got an opportunity to recite the poem in front of you all. The title of the poem is Sonnet 18 written by William Shakespeare. Here I start. Shall I compare these to a summer day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough wind do shake the darling blood of May, and summer leech has all too short a day. Sometimes too hot the eye of heaven shine, and opened in his gold complex dim, and ever fair from fair sometime decline, by chance or nature changing course untwined. But the eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou waste, nor shall death drag their wondrous in his shade, when in internal lines to times they growest. And so long as man can live or eyes can see, so long live this and this give life to this. Thank you.
Very good, Navya. So next participant name is Kripa of 6A.
Good afternoon, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. I am Kripa Pandey from class 6A. Today, I am going to recite a poem, The Seven Stages of Man by William Shakespeare, in front of you all. So here I start. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women are mainly players. They have their exits and entrances, and one man in his life plays many parts. He acts very well, and he does so good. At first the infant mewling in the schoolboy with his satchel and shiny morning face creeping like snail, unwillingly to the school and then to the lover, signing like furnace with a woeful ballad. Thank you for hearing me patiently.
And I'm now going to call the class section of class 7A. Rasi, please come over here. Rashi Ranjan of class 7A, please come on the stage.
Rashi happens to be a very good singer also. We have seen her singing many a time. Now I'm putting my finger crossed that we are going to have a wonderful recitation right now. Over to Rashi.
7A now? Say from 7A now. 7A.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Rashi Ranjan. I am from class 7A. I will recite a poem today. The author of the poem is William Shakespeare, and the title of the poem is Time. Time is very slow for those who wait, very fast for those who are scared, very long for those who are living, very short for those who are celebrating, very bad for those who waste, very good for those who use, but for those who love the time. But for those who love the time is eternal. Thank you.